All right guys, back with another video. So today I have the unboxing of the DJI Mini 2 SE. This drone came out actually over a year ago. I'll put the exact date somewhere over here where it came out. And I bought the basic combo without the extra batteries or any of the other stuff, because normally when I go fly, one battery is good enough. Okay, so it's got a little thing here that says open. So you slide that off and then opens up like this, and the first thing you see is the drone. So let's take that out, get to it in a second. All right, now we got a box here. So next we had paperwork, and I'm sure the connectors. Yep, so this is where your connectors, your extra props, screwdriver. So you get two set of props, you get a screwdriver, and you get the extra connections depending on the type of phone that you got, and you get a charging cable, USB to type C, and then you get a micro, so USB on this side, USB-C, excuse me. Then you get a micro, and then you get another USB. So what's on the remote is going to be a lightning cable. So smooth that out of the way, and then here is the remote OcuSync. So here's the remote. Looks the exact same as the one I have for my DJI Mavic Air 2. So it's the R1 remote, or N1, I'm saying R1. It's the N1 remote. So what's here should be the lightning cable. Yep, so I can go ahead and take that out. All right, so we got that in there, type C to type C. But yeah, this is just your standard N1 remote that comes with a lot of the older drones. And I don't mind having this instead of the display, because I use my iPad mini for a lot of stuff that I do anyway. So the drone, so let's get this out of this plastic. Again, I try to keep stuff as neat as possible, because you never know, and you always want to present it your best whenever you're getting rid of something. But hopefully I don't have to get rid of this. I'm not planning on. But yeah, so here's the drone. So you basically got to take all of these stickers off, and basically it's pretty much the same drone I had before, the original. The biggest difference is the connection. The remote is no longer Wi-Fi. It is now OcuSync, which is definitely better. You get better range, better transmission. Camera is pretty much the same. Everything else on this is pretty much the same except the remote situation, so that's a good thing. All right, so let's get this unfolded, and there it is, guys. The DJI Mini SE2 looks just like the original SE1. Let's go ahead and open this up. So yeah, we got the battery in here. It's not a whole heck of a lot here, and that's why this thing is so light. The battery is basically the weight. Let's go ahead and get this off. Take a look at this camera. Yep, exact same. Turning it on, press down, press it again. Oh, this battery's completely dead. All right, so I'll be back in a minute. I might fire it up. I want to see if there are any updates, and then we'll go from there.